Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could create an invoice using Excel. Here you must or you need two things. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Second, open your Excel file. The next step, we'll go to New and we will type in search for online templates. We will type invoice and hit enter. At this stage, we will navigate through several options to find the one which is most suitable for you. I will choose this one. I will click create to have the invoice loaded. So at this stage, you must change your company name. And here you must put the name of your company, of course, and you can change the logo by the logo of your company. The next step will be to put a number for your invoice, to put the invoice date, and also to change the job. And the next step, you need to put the person or the name of the company to whom you are billing to. Here you need to put their address. And you must also change the postal code and the state or the city. Next step will be to enter a phone number. And after that, a fax number if it's existing. On the left side, here you must enter your details, including your address and your phone number, fax number, and also your email address. Next up, we are going to scroll down, and here you can start putting the code of your items, the description of your items, and the quantity. Also, you will need to put unit price and discount if any is applicable. The next step, you will need to put the price, and in the invoice subtotal, you want to check that you are selecting all the prices. In the tax rate, you can change it accordingly. You don't need to put percentage sign because it's already included, so you need just to click and change. And here it will automatically calculate for you the sales tax and the deposit received if you have received any. And here it will give you the due total. Also, don't forget to change these items here. So you can change the due date or the period in which the invoice is due for payment. And also here you need to change again your email address. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.